point is depression in freezing point. What is the freezing point? Freezing point is the temperature at which solid and liquid phase are in equilibrium and both have same vapor pressure. The solid and liquid will lie together and the vapor pressure of solid as well as liquid will be same. What actually happens at the freezing point? The intermolecular force of attraction between the liquid molecules is very high, thus they convert into solid. So, whenever in the pure solvent, if you will try and freeze it, we will take example of water, water will freeze at 0 degree Celsius. At 0 degree Celsius, what happens? The intermolecular force of attraction between water molecules increases tremendously. Thus, water freezes at 0 degree Celsius. Now, if we add some non-volatile solute in the water, then in between the water molecules some distance increases. Due to this increase in distance between the water molecules, when the solution containing the non-volatile solute is freezed, now when we will start freezing it at 0 degree Celsius, the molecules of water are not close enough to each other, as in between them there will be the solute molecules. So, thus the force of attraction in between them will not be as strong as it was in the initial case. Thus, the solution containing non-volatile solute, it will not freeze at 0 degree Celsius. Instead, you will again have to decrease the temperature, so that according to Charles law, as temperature will decrease, volume will also decrease, and with decrease in the volume, the intermolecular force of attraction between water molecules will increase and thus it will freeze. So, the freezing point of the solution will decrease if you are adding some non-volatile solute. See here, the freezing, during freezing, the non-volatile solute will not take part in the freezing process. It is the solvent molecules only, that is the water molecules. Okay. So, whenever freezing is taking place, it will be the pure solvent thing. So, if non-volatile solute is added in the pure solvent, then its freezing point will decrease. Now, we will discuss about the molecular formula for the molar mass of the solute. But before that, let us consider few things here. Now, in this case, the Tf naught is the freezing point of pure solvent and Tf is what? It is the freezing point of the solution. Now, here we know very well that we had just discussed now, the freezing point of the pure solvent will be more than the freezing point of what? Than the freezing point of the solution. Thus, Tf naught will be greater than Tf. Now, the difference between the freezing point of pure solvent and that of the solution, it is nothing but the depression in freezing point, which is delta Tf. Delta Tf is equal to Tf naught minus Tf. Now, from the graph we will discuss about the depression in freezing point. On the y axis there is vapor pressure, on the x axis there is temperature. Now, here the graph line, this one, this is the line where the solvent is always in the frozen form. Now, the liquid solvent is this one and the solution is this line. Now, when the liquid solvent and solution will touch the frozen solvent line, and at that particular point the liquid solvent and the solution will freeze. Now, we can clearly observe that liquid solvent, it freezes at Tf naught and solution freezes at Tf. So, from the graph it is clearly visible that the liquid solvent freezes earlier than that of the solution, which means the freezing point of the solution is smaller than the freezing point of the liquid solvent. Thus, we say that depression in freezing point occurs due to the addition of what? Due to the addition of the solute. Now, we will see about the expression for the molar mass of the solute from the depression in freezing point. The freezing point depression, it is directly proportional to the molality of the solution, which is nothing but the concentration. Therefore, delta Tf is directly proportional to small m, and to remove this proportionality sign, proportionality constant is added, which is Kf. So, delta Tf is equal to Kf into m. Kf is what? Kf is the freezing point depression constant or the cryoscopic constant, and the cryoscopic constant is defined as, it is the depression in freezing point produced by 1 mole of a solution. That is, if molality is equal to 1 mole, then delta Tf will be is equal to K, and the unit of the cryoscopic constant, it is Kelvin kg per mole or degree Celsius kg per mole. Now, the formula for the molar mass of the solute, now delta Tf is equal to Kf into m. M is what? 1000 into W2 divided by M2 into W1. Therefore, delta Tf will be is equal to Kf into 1000 into W2 divided by M2 into W1. Therefore, the formula for molar mass of the solute is equal to Kf into 1000 into W2 divided by delta Tf into W1.